Should you dump WordPress? Hey, this is Brian from EvoDynamic with White Glove Ninja. WordPress is an awesome tool and powers 34% of internet websites. Being drop-dead simple, anybody can do it. Set up a site and start blogging or launch a store. But the question is, just because anybody can do it, does that mean you should? Herein lies the problem. Many site owners never take advantage of the power of WordPress. Are you just hosting landing pages? Or a simple 5 to 10 page website? Do you ever blog? Do you update your content? Did you launch that store or a membership site? If you're not doing anything cool with WordPress, you should probably dump it. It's not worth the exposure. You might ask, what exposure? WordPress is getting really popular. All that popularity has made WordPress one big target for hackers. Where they hack in because you used a weak password? Don't do that. A bad plugin, an out-of-date WordPress installation, theme, or plugin, your site and online presence is at risk just by using WordPress. Site hackers can and do get into WordPress and mess it up. 8% of all WordPress sites get hacked because of weak passwords. Don't be that guy, girl. I think I said that already. Stay tuned for a new post about passwords. 60% of WordPress site hacks are on sites that haven't been updated. In 2007, there was a fake SEO plugin that infected over 4,000 sites with malware. So, what's the solution, Brian? 1, if you're not using some awesome feature of WordPress or some spectacular plugin, get out of the crosshairs and use a plain old website or landing page. You can just have a landing page or a couple of pages that show the world your business or organization is real. Also, a plain old site is cheap, easy, and free from the headache of regular updates, backups, and all that is WordPress. 2, don't be that guy or that girl that uses a weak password. Did I already mention that? But it's such a huge problem. I'll come back to that later on our blog. You're still here. You didn't opt for a plain old site. So 3, update everything WordPress as often as possible. And there are 3 areas to be concerned about. WordPress itself, your WordPress theme, your WordPress plugins. Keep those updated every day or week. Finally, no matter what you do, you still might get hacked. So have a strategy plan with at least daily backups so you can get back up and running in case of the worst. Don't get me wrong. WordPress isn't a bad thing. In fact, it's wonderful. It's a glorious tool that always is getting better. It provides ways to manage information and make having a website something simple that anyone can manage. So if you create content or launching a store or want to fast forward on a design, by all means, use WordPress. But be smart about it. Realize that it's ever changing in response to the bad guys out there. And if you want to just be the creator and leave the site maintenance to me and my team of WordPress ninjas, please join us in our WordPress freedom at whitegloveninja.com. Be safe and be blessed. Bye.